Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I got a request, tutorial request. So I got two tutorial in this video. It's gonna be about how to stress test RAM and what software I use, and the other one is how to use DDU, display driver uninstaller. So let's get in started, I guess. Alright, let's go. The first one, I'm gonna start with stress test RAM. So the software I use is memtest64. So you search on Google memtest64 download, then click on the first result and click download and choose any server you want to choose. Once already downloaded, you can run the software and then begin testing. For stress test, it should be at least maybe 15 minutes to 30 minutes. It's recommended to do more than 15 minutes for stress test. It says here the longer it runs, the more accurate the fault detection is. Before begin this test, you have to turn off every software that running at the back, such as that Premiere Pro and anything else, any software that use RAM. If there's still another program running in the background, it will fail like this. Memory locking failed might be reserved by other apps or kernel. So you have to close almost everything that use a lot of RAM, such as Premiere Pro, Photoshop, After Effects, or anything else that use a lot of RAM. So that you can begin testing. So we've been testing for more than 15 minutes already and no errors so far. So I guess that's basically how to stress test your RAM. So I guess that's it. Let's move on to another tutorial. Okay, now tutorial number 2. How to uninstall your graphic driver using DDU. So we have to search DDU first, and then you click on the first link. I will leave the link on the description. So we have to download any of this. Just choose one. Okay, once you've done downloading, you have to restart your PC first into safe mode. How to do that is by holding shift, hold shift, and then click restart. You have to still hold shift, okay, until this thing pop up. Now you click troubleshoot and then advanced option, and then choose startup setting, and then click restart. And now we have to wait until it boot up. Now you see this screen. From this screen, you click enable safe mode, which is number 4. Alright. Okay, now we are boot up into safe mode. Extract this file. Just click extract anywhere you want. Click this one, DDU B18. It might be different from your version. So, and then click extract. Okay, click the DDU folder, and then click display driver uninstaller. Okay, and then this one, just ignore this one, just click close. So here you select what driver are you going to uninstall. In this case, we are going to uninstall the GPU driver, AMD. So after that, you choose from these 3 points. Depends on your what are you gonna do. Are you going to just if you're going just to reinstall the graphic driver, you can just click clean and restart, or clean and do not restart. If you're going to install a graphic card, you can just clean and shut down. So I'm gonna click clean and restart. Now we have to wait. We wait until it restart into Windows 10. Okay, now we're back into Windows. As you can see, we don't have Radeon Adrenaline software, so we have to install it, download it again. I don't have the drivers, I have to download it again. That's how to stress test RAM and how to use DDU. So I guess that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for requests. Thanks for the support as well. I guess I see you guys in the next one. Bye and stay awesome.